Hello student, today I will teach you about implicit function. What do you mean by implicit function? You can understand with the help of some geometrical figures. For example, x, y. This is the center of a circle. H, K are the centers of the circle. This is the origin. The equation of circle x minus h square y minus k square is equal to r. Here x and y have a relation which expresses the implicit function in the form of in which we calculate the value of y. Similarly, A major axis, V is minor axis, Z. This is the ellipse. This is a circle. This equation x square, a square, y square, v square. All the represented in the implicit function form. Now we will find out the derivatives of circle equations and implicit and ellipse equations. Given x h square y minus k square is equal to r square. That is the equation of circle. We find out dy dx. We find out dy dx. So first of all, differentiate both sides with the respect of x. Differentiate with respect to x both side. X minus h square plus dy dx by k square dy dx r square. Now 2 h dy dx x h plus 2 by k dy dx y minus k is equal to dy dx r square. That is the radius. Two x minus h. Here because here with respect to x, so here x into 1, h will be constant 0, 2 y k. Here x is constant, y should be derived dy dx, r is constant 0. Now 2 y k dy dx. Now this transfer x minus h. 2 cancel. Now dy dx x minus h or y minus k. Here minus. That is the differentiation of equation of circle. Similarly, we can find out the derivative of equation of ellipse. X square, a square, y square, v square is equal to 1. This also differentiate with respect to x both sides. A is a constant, a square dy dx x square 1 upon b square constant dy dx y square dy dx into 1. Now 1 upon a square 2x plus 1 upon b square 2y, again dy dx is equal to 0. 2b square by dy dx is minus 2a square x. Cancel both sides. Now dy dx minus b square a square x upon y. That is the solution of ellipse equations. Now we take some question. X by plus y square tan x plus y. This is a equation which consists of x and y, and make a relation to find out the derivative of y. Differentiate with respect to x both side. X by plus y square plus dy dx tan x dy dx by product rule. First function as it, second dy dx. Now y plus 2y again dy dx tan x sec square x by dy dx. Now this dy dx bring one side, x dy dx plus 2y dy dx minus dy dx equal to sec square y transfer next side y. Now taking common dy dx x plus 2y minus 1 sec square x minus y. Now dy dx sec square x by or x plus 2y minus 1. That is the solution of given equation. Now next we will solve other equation. Let other equation sin y x sin x a plus y, where a is the constant. Here x and y also shows the relation between x and y. It is a form of implicit function. Similarly, we differentiate both sides. Differentiate with respect to x both sides. First of all, you write this or sin y sin a plus y equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x both sides. From quotient rule, from quotient rule, this is square a plus y. This we take first function sin a plus y, other function dy dx sin y minus sin y as it or dy dx sin a plus y or other side dy dx x. Now sin a plus by this cos by dy dx. Now this same sin by this will be cos a plus by again dy dx. Now this as sin square a plus by, and now this is equal to 1. Now we take, there no space here. Now take common here, dy dx sin a plus by cos by, here minus sin by, इधर cos a plus by, here sin square a plus by equal to 1. Now this form, here we used trigonometric formula. Sin a plus by minus by. Here sin square a plus y is equal to 1. Now here y plus and other y is minus by, one is cancelled, dy dx, this one sin a, this one cancelled, or this sin square is multiply, sin square a plus by. Now dy dx is equal to sin square a plus by upon sin a. That is the derivation of that equation. Now remove it. Other equation we can take 1 minus x square 1 minus y square equal to a x minus by. Find out the dy dx. First of all we put x is equal to sin theta, theta is equal to sin inverse x, and y is equal to sin phi. So phi is equal to sin inverse by. Here 1 minus sin square theta plus 1 minus sin square phi equal to, now we take after this a sin theta sin phi. Here it make cos theta and this cos phi, this a sin theta sin phi. Now here we use some formula of trigonometry. 2 cos theta plus phi is equal to 2 cos theta minus phi, 2. Here a, here also use trigonometric formula. 2 cos theta plus phi upon 2 into sin theta minus phi by 2. Here these are same, this will cancelled. Here cos theta phi upon 2 equal to a sin phi to 2. Now divide both sides, sin theta minus phi by 2. So then it will make cot theta minus phi by 2 equal to A. Now we write the other side. Now theta minus phi upon 2, this cot inverse A. Now theta equal to 2 cot inverse A. Now put the value of theta and phi given above, that we remove. Sin inverse x, sin inverse y, 2 cot inverse A. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Sin inverse x dy dx, sin inverse by 2 dy dx cot inverse A. This will 1 minus x square, this become 1 minus y square, this become 0. Dy dx, because here is y. Now dy dx, minus 1 minus y square, here we take minus 1 minus x square this side, minus cancel. Now dy dx under root 1 minus x square under root 1 minus y square 1. Dy dx under root 1 minus y square 1 minus x square. That is the derivative of this equation.